Do you need to know how to reset your phone to its original settings? It's easy, but there are some things you need to know first. Hi, I'm Caroline. I'm going to show you how to factory reset your device, with steps simple enough to do it yourself. But first, let's talk about why someone would want to reset their phone to factory settings. Before selling a device or trading it in for a new one, you'll want to protect your privacy by erasing any personal information from your phone. The quickest and most complete way to do that is with a factory data reset. A reset is also used as a last resort during troubleshooting, when your phone isn't working right, but only after you've tried all other options. A factory reset will delete all your personal data, including photos and contacts, plus all your apps, settings, and preferences. So before you do anything, back up your phone. Whether you're resetting your phone in order to trade it in or sell it, or for troubleshooting reasons, you must do a backup first. Not sure how to back up your phone? We have a handy guide. I've dropped the link in the description below. The process to reset your phone is different for iPhones and Androids. We'll start with the iPhone. If you have an Android, use the chapter markers below to skip ahead to the Android section. Once you have your iPhone backed up, you're ready to get started on a factory reset. First, be sure you know your Apple ID and password. To find your Apple ID, open Settings, and then tap your name. Your Apple ID is the email address listed here. Go to iforgot.apple.com if you need to reset your password. To factory reset your iPhone, open Settings, General, Reset. Then tap Erase all content in Settings. You'll be prompted to enter your passcode or Apple ID. Finally, tap Erase iPhone, and you're done. Once your phone restarts, you'll be prompted to restore from an iCloud backup. Now, what if your phone is lost or stolen, and you want to reset it remotely to make sure your personal information doesn't fall into the wrong hands? Here are the steps for resetting your iPhone if you don't have it with you. On a computer, go to iCloud.com. Sign in with your Apple ID and password. You may be prompted to enter a verification code sent to one of your trusted devices. Now, select Find iPhone, All Devices, and choose the device you want to erase. Select Erase and enter your Apple ID password. Finally, select Done to erase your device. If your device is online, it'll be erased immediately. If your device is offline, it'll be erased as soon as it reconnects to the internet. Now I'll walk you through the steps to factory reset your Android. Once you have your Android backed up, you're ready to get started. First, you'll need to disable Factory Reset Protection, a security feature that stops others from using your phone by asking for your Google credentials. You should only do this if you plan to trade in or sell your phone, or if you're sending it in for repair or replacement. First, remove your Google account from the device. Open Settings, select Accounts and Backup, then select Accounts or Manage Accounts. Then select and remove your Google account. Also, turn off any screen lock security settings. To reset your phone, open Settings and search for Factory Data Reset. Tap Factory Data Reset in the results. If Reset or Reset Phone appears, tap it again. Then enter your password or PIN to confirm. After your phone restarts, the setup screen should appear, which is the perfect time to restore from a backup. Now, what about if your phone is lost or stolen and you want to reset it remotely to make sure your personal information doesn't fall into the wrong hands? Here are the steps for resetting your Android if you don't have it with you. On a computer, go to android.com/find and sign in to your Google account. You'll see a list of options to help you if your phone is missing and you're trying to locate it. If you're ready to do a reset, you may need to click Enable Lock and Erase first, then click Erase Device. At Asurion, our experts help millions of customers keep their technology protected, connected, and working the way they want it to. Want to learn more about how we can help? Visit our website, Asurion.com, and subscribe to our channel for more answers to your tech questions.